always take a screenshot of these ingredients. These will be what we're using throughout our recipe. First of all, we're starting with some rocket and baby spinach combo. It's nice and flavoursome, nice bright colours. We then go in with our roasted and diced pecans. The smell of these should be nice and fragrant. We then go in and add our feta cheese through the top. This will be the base of the salad. Next, I chose to use nectarines, so stone fruit are in season at the moment. You can use another type of fruit if you're opting for a lower carbohydrate diet at the moment, so apples and pears, any of your common berries. Cranberries are also a nice addition this time of year, nice and festive as well. In terms of that festive colour, I've chosen to go with the pomegranates. We then start making our salad dressing. So this is where we use half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add that to your blender. We are then using the teaspoon of crushed garlic. And at this point, I had a technical issue where I was unable to continue filming on my phone. I also added a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I also added about half of the Pink Lady apple, and that is the salad all finished. I hope you enjoyed. Have a lovely Christmas.